In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your voice in Suno AI to turn your voice into music. It's an exciting process where your unique vocal qualities can become the heart of an entirely new song. Let's dive into these simple steps that will guide you through this creative journey. First things first, you'll need to log into Suno AI Music. This is your starting point, where all the creative magic begins. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the homepage of Suno AI, ready to embark on your musical exploration. Your dashboard is a gateway to a variety of features, but today, we are focusing on creating a musical masterpiece using your own voice. Next, look for and click on the Create button. This takes you to a new screen where you have several options for customization. Here, you have the freedom to shape and define what your musical creation will look like. It's where your journey becomes more personalized. Now, you'll want to find and click on Custom. This option allows you to tailor each component of your song specifically to your liking, ensuring every aspect reflects your individual style and creative intentions. After selecting Custom, head over to the Audio section. This part is integral because it's where you will upload or record the essence of your creative work, your voice. The Audio section is designed to be intuitive, making it easy and straightforward to navigate through options. You have two choices here. The first is to select Record to start a live voice recording. Simply sing, hum, or speak into your device's microphone until you're satisfied, and then click Stop. Make sure you're in an environment with minimal background noise so your voice is clear and prominent. Alternatively, if you've prepared something beforehand, you can upload a pre-recorded voice clip. This is a great option if you've put effort into a recording you love, or if you've fine-tuned a performance ahead of time. Once your vocal foundation is set, the next step involves entering prompts for the lyrics. This is where you can get creative with words. Whether you want something reflective, upbeat, or abstract, provide input that aligns with the story or emotion you wish to convey through the song. In addition to lyrical prompts, consider how you want the song to feel stylistically. Enter prompts that describe the genre or style that best complements your voice and message. Keep in mind that the right style can enhance the emotional impact of your lyrics, bringing an additional layer of depth to your creation. When everything is configured, take a final look over your selections, and then it's time to hit the Create button. This action will initiate the generation of your new song. Suno AI will then work its magic, using your recorded vocal as the foundation for the track, blending your voice seamlessly with chosen lyrics and style to create something truly unique and personalized. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to transforming your voice into music with Suno AI. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful in your artistic endeavors. Enjoy making music that is truly your own.